In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reply to a specific message in Slack. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you are on Slack and you are on a channel where there are so many people messaging, but you like to go ahead and just reply to a single message, then it is pretty simple. To do that, go over to the message that you want to reply to or to respond to, and then just next to it, you should be able to see this reply in thread option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you'll have an option to reply to this person. And once you have written the message, now go ahead and send it, and it will be sent specifically to that person. And you can see under this message, now we have a reply below it. So that's how you can reply to a specific message in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.